On February 11, 2025, Puyallup School District voters will consider an $800 million bond to fund major construction and infrastructure improvements at 7 neighborhood schools. Specifically, the bond proposal focuses on addressing overcrowding, aging facilities, and accommodating enrollment growth. If approved, the bond would maintain the current tax rate of $4.14 per $1,000 of assessed property value. Funding would be supported through a capital levy rollback, with the bond extending over 21 years from 2025 to 2046. Increased population growth in areas such as Edgewood on North Hill and in the Sunrise area has contributed to rising student enrollment and capacity challenges in schools across the district. The bond proposal includes additions to Emerald Ridge, Puyallup, and Rogers High Schools, replacements for Spinning, Waller Road, and Mountain View elementary schools, and construction of a new elementary school in the Sunrise area. Current enrollment trends highlight the need for additional classroom space to address capacity challenges. Some of the district's oldest buildings, including Spinning, Waller Road, and Mountain View Elementary, are nearing the end of their functional lifespan, with building condition scores rated as poor. Issues such as leaky roofs, outdated plumbing, and failing HVAC systems highlight the need for replacement. Replacing these schools would provide safe, modern facilities designed to support student learning and well-being. Maintaining a steady tax rate ensures these projects remain financially manageable for the community. The $800 million bond proposal would maintain the current tax rate of $4.14 per $1,000 of assessed property value through a $130 million capital levy rollback. The proposal includes a 10% contingency to manage costs and ensure projects are completed as planned. Additionally, the district could potentially secure approximately $152.9 million in state matching funds, which are collected as projects near 90% completion. On February 11, 2025, voters will decide on a bond proposal to fund major construction at 7 neighborhood schools with no tax rate increase. To learn more about Proposition 1, visit www.puyallupsd.org/bond.